Hello there. Well, the deal dogs went out to do some shopping and we came back with some treats. Let's see what we have in the treat bag. Oh, that looks great. We'll keep that. Oh, and the squeaky toys. Always a favorite. Now it looks like we have something for one lucky subscriber. That's right, we're giving away a $15 iTunes card. We'll scratch off the back and send you the number so we don't have to put it in the mail. So woohoo! This contest is a 50 subscriber contest, so once Deal Dogs on YouTube has 50 subscribers, we'll pick a winner randomly from all the valid entries. How do you enter? It's easy as pie. First, you hit the subscribe button, which is a yellow button on the YouTube panel. Then favorite the video. Third, you want to rate it 5 stars. And finally, leave a comment, and in your comment, use the word iTunes. In the comments, tell us what you think of the video, what you'd like us to see us do in the future, and anything else you like, but be sure and put in the word iTunes. Once we have 50 subscribers, we'll pick a winner randomly from the valid entries. So good luck.